Dear students, welcome to my class. This is Jamil Raihan, Assistant Teacher, Ali Hussein Girls High School. What do you see in the picture? You see a bag, a tag, and on the bottom of the page, you see a bag is with a tag. Tag means adding something additional with something. Here, he is a student, uh, isn't he? This part isn't he is additional part added with the main sentence. Our today's class is on tag questions. You are Jishan, aren't you? Here, aren't you is tag of this sentence. The definition of tag question is a tag question is a question that is used at the end of a statement to get the support from the listener. What do you see here? A computer operator. Can we use computer without a computer operator? We must use an operator. So, in tag questions, there are some operators that are am, is, are, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, must, have, has, had, must, ought to, dare, need, do, does, did. These are called operator of tag question. Tag questions basic or contraction from the operators. There are some contractions of tag questions. For example, am not. The contraction of am not is aren't or ain't. The contraction of is not is isn't. The contraction of are not is aren't. We must use contractions. Afsar is my good friend. What will be the tag question of this sentence? The tag question is isn't he? Afsar is a man, so we have to use he. If the sentence is positive, then how can we make tag question? For example, Hassan is a truthful boy. Isn't he? That means if the sentence is affirmative, then we have to make negative in case of tag question. The structure is statement plus operator plus not plus subject or pronoun. But if the sentence is in negative, then what can you do? For example, she is not my mother. Then we have to use is she. That means we have to make affirmative. The structure is statement plus operator plus subject or pronoun. Sadman is a smart boy. What will be the tag question? The tag question is isn't he? Now we will practice some tag questions. Rubina was a brilliant student. What will be the tag question of this sentence? Wasn't she? You are not a player. What will be the tag question of this sentence? Were you? They are our guest. What will be the tag question? Aren't they? We cannot do this now. What will be the tag question? Can we? He may come tomorrow. May not he? We should not disobey our parents. Should we? You could do it easily. Could you? Couldn't you? They must not play bad. Must they? I have a pen. Don't I? You had better go. Hadn't you? How can we make tag question if there is no operator. There are two kinds of sentences in English. They do not have operators. For example, present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense. If the for example, my mother cooks very well, we have to use doesn't she. Here, if the sentence is in present indefinite tense, we have to use don't or doesn't. But if the sentence is in past indefinite, we have to use didn't. For example, you see, we play football regularly, don't we? He went to market yesterday, didn't he? What will be the tag question? Every mother loves a child, don't they? That means if there is every as a subject, then we have to use they. Nobody believes a liar. If the sentence starts with nobody, then we have to use they. So, what will be the tag question? Do they? There are some words that are negative. For example, never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely, and scarcely. If these words are used in any sentence, then we cannot make them negative. For example, he never came again. Did he? She can rarely come these days. Can she? You hardly ever came late. Did you? If you see few, little, these things are negative. But if you see a few, a little, these things are positive. That means affirmative. So, for example, I have a few money. This is an affirmative sentence. That is why we have to do don't I or haven't I. Uh, Another sentence is I have few money. Here, few is negative. That is why we have to do I or have I. There is a little water in the jar. Isn't there? A little is positive here. Need is another exceptional example. Need is used sometimes as modal auxiliary, sometimes as main verb. For example, I need your help. Here, need is main verb, so we have to do don't I. She needs a pen. Here, need is main verb, so we have to do doesn't she. But below you can see you need not worry. Here, need is modal auxiliary. That is why we have to use need. Need you? I need not go there. Here, need is modal auxiliary. So, we have to do need I. There are some other exceptions also. Sometimes would or had are used in this way, but we cannot understand this is would or had. If any subordinating clause is used before uh, the contraction of would, then we will understand that this is would. But if the sentence is imperative sentence, then what will you do? We have to use will you. But if the sentence is negative, then we have also to use Will you? But if there is let, then we have to use shall we. But sometimes we use some words or phrases in our conversation. In that case, we have to make the complete sentence, then we have to make a question. For example, goodbye. That means I bid good boy, and the tag question will be, don't I? Hassan. That means, is he Hassan? Then we have to use isn't he. At first, we have to make the sentence, then we have to make tag question. I am giving you some work. For example, there is a passage and there are some sentences in the passage, and you have to make tag question of those sentences in pair. This is another paragraph. You have to take the sentences and make tag question of every sentence. These are all for today. Thank you, dear students.